Hello friends, welcome to Doctor's Talk. Today I have brought across a special series on Doctor's Talk. We have with us today Dr. R.K. Mishra, the famous surgeon for laparoscopic surgery. And today we are going to talk about laparoscopic surgery or keyhole surgery as is known as. Hello Dr. Mishra. Please tell us how the keyhole surgery or the laparoscopic surgery is done.
Laparoscopic surgery generally we perform with a small keyhole. It is also called as buttonhole surgery or endoscopic surgery, where we do not need to open the abdomen. We can just put the small incision inside the abdomen and we introduce the telescope inside the abdomen. After that, all the organs of the abdominal cavity will start seeing enlarged and magnified on the television screen, and then we can perform same surgery for which in the traditional way we have to open the abdomen. Now by laparoscopy we can perform with a small teeny incision. So this is a new technology and it has a lot of advantage to the patient.
So doctor, please let us know the difference between laparoscopic surgery and an open surgery. How does it really help the patients and what does it cost?
In open surgery there are a lot of drawbacks. One of the drawback that you have to completely incise the abdomen, you have a big cut, and after that multiple sutures are required to again close the abdomen. There will be large visible scar, cosmetically also it is not good. Patient has to stay for many days in the hospital, he cannot return to work for many weeks and he cannot do any exercise or any hard work. But in laparoscopy these things are very nice, that we have a very fast recovery. Hospital stay is minimum, maximum 1 day hospital stay is required, next day patient can return to his normal duty at home, and within 1 week he can start his normal work in the office. So it has a lot of advantage, no visible scar, so it is very good for beauty conscious women or the unmarried girl, because a big cut looks very ugly to them, and pain is also very less, infection chances are less, hernia is less. So nowadays this is the era of laparoscopy. And almost all the surgery where open being performed before, now it is replaced by the laparoscopy.
But is there a major price difference between both the surgeries?
Yes, price is little different, as such as the surgical cost is there, the surgeon's cost and the instrument cost, that is little high. But if we will calculate the overall expenses, then in the hospital stay is long in the open surgery, so that will be more expensive. After that, the expenses of going away from their normal work, because when they will not work they will not get any payment. But in laparoscopy, if they can return to their work early, they can resume to their duty faster. So if you will calculate that way, then laparoscopy is cheaper. But surgical charges are little more, because we are dependent upon the imported instrument which we have to buy from the developed country like America, Germany. So that is why our country is still not producing all the laparoscopic instrument. So surgical charges are, that is why little high. But in the future it will be, I think once our country own will start producing the instrument, then it will be less, but I am agree that right now it is little expensive.
So would you suggest that all surgeries eventually become laparoscopic surgeries?
Of course, maybe from 10 years from now, laparoscopy will completely replace the traditional surgery, and almost all the surgery where abdomen was required to cut is possible now to do by laparoscopy.
Thank you, Dr. Mishra. I'd like all of you viewers to know that Dr. Mishra here has given us an in-depth understanding on the difference between an open surgery and the laparoscopic surgery. We have our phone lines kept down on your screen. You can call up or you can use the comment box in our YouTube channel to write your comments, or even email us for any of your queries. And be sure that all your questions and all your queries will be answered by Dr. Mishra here as soon as we get them. So keep phoning and keep writing and we'll get back to you. So until we meet again for Doctor's Talk, stay healthy and stay happy.